Hello guys, welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today we'll build a train for Peppa Pig and her friends. We have this lovely colorful train here. It's from Lego. Now we are going to put it together. We have one green carriage. We have a red carriage. They all have nice yellow wheels. So let's start putting it together. They click nicely. There's another green carriage as well. And there's the blue carriage. Now let's put the front part of the train together. We have this piece and the horn. Here it is. It goes in front. And this is where the train driver will go. It opens, and who will go inside? Who wants to drive the train? Yes, I want to drive the train, says Peppa. Okay, Peppa, go inside. Whee, cries Peppa. She's very excited. She will be our train driver today. She goes here. Now our train is ready. Let's put Peppa's friends on the train. Rebecca Rabbit, go on the train, please. Rebecca Rabbit will sit here. Suzy Sheep is Peppa's best friend. She will sit in front. And Zoe Zebra will go with Suzy Sheep as well. There is space for everyone. There is also space for Pedro Pony and Danny Dog. Oh, how exciting, says Peppa. I'll be driving the train. Beep beep, beep beep. Wah, wah. What's that noise? It's crying. Oh, it seems like we forgot someone. Little George, little brother George. He wants to go on the train too. Please take me on the train. Of course we will, George. Let's put George on the train. George will sit here. He will sit on the high chair so he can see everything. Ooh, ooh, says Peppa. Everyone is on the train. Beep beep, off we go. Oh, George has fallen down. Be careful, George. Our train can go. Choo choo choo, choo choo choo. It's so exciting being on the train. Would you like to go on the train? Yes? Don't forget to subscribe for Toy Stories TV and you'll see more videos with Peppa Pig. Bye, says Peppa. Bye.